Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding or changing the background image on Safari for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When using Safari, you can set a background image for the homepage. You can even set your own custom image. This is a nice way to customize your Safari experience. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. On the Safari homepage, tap the 3 lines button in the bottom right. Tap Background Image at the bottom of the options. You can use your trackpad to swipe from left to right to look through the image options. Tap an image to choose it as your background image. If you would like to set a custom image, swipe all the way to the left and click on the plus icon. You can then choose the image that you would like to use from your photos or documents. Click to select the image and then tap Choose. Your Safari home screen is now set as the custom image you chose. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.